we get people abazawusuka kwamanye ama-province beze eMpumalanga. Mabefika la besithi sifuna ubheka eGersibande, bathi sifuna ubheka kwaMhlanga, bathi sifuna ubheka eNkangala. Kufuneka siyazi ukuthi pha eNkangala people are ready. They are waiting for our visitors and they are going to benefit, because if usuka abroad uza South Africa, awuzofuna ukudla what you are eating from where you come from. You would like to taste ukuthi abantu bala badlani. So abantu bala they must be ready ukuthi benze imali ukuthi bathengise izinto zabo bakwazi ukuzenza. Abo bane-B&B baze ukuthi sizokubanceda ukuthi their business must be up to standard, so that they can be able to accommodate people who are coming from outside. So uzawufumanisa into yoba we lack information as the community. Therefore it is very important for the department, it doesn't matter which department, funeka zihambe zibheke ebantwini zitshele abantu ukuthi what is it that they can benefit from government in order for them to prepare themselves to welcome this tourists that will be coming to this end of the world.
Ngimaphi mhlambe ama-concerns namkha inlilo enikhe nazizwa eziphathelene ne-tourism isho zokuvakatsha namkha ama-compliments namkha ukubuka umsebenzi eniwenzako ovezwe umphakathi weNkangala district during this engagement today?
Uzaw understand uba asika interacting no-community manje. Kungona sizawungena la engolweni sive ukuthi zithini izikhalazo ze-community, but ngizawusebenzisa i-experience yesterday eMpumalanga eMelo, where abantu baraise izinto eziningi abangekho happy ngazo, lack of support from government. But mangijonga kule lack of support bakhuluma ngayo is because of the fact that abana information uba asiyi kubo, especially ama-rural communities. That's why our department tourism ene-program esebenza ne-villages ne-rurals. Apho i-officials zethu kufuneka ziphumile ziye kwezindawo so that people should get information, so that ezi grant sinazo apha ku-department, sinama-grant ku-department to assist people to empower their businesses, but people don't participate because they don't have information. So that was one of izikhalo zabo yesterday, ukuthi abana information, as a result they don't benefit from what government is assisting tourism in particular. Therefore today we are here to give that information. The only compliments that they were giving yesterday was the visibility of the entities in Mpumalanga. You know, like your parks and whatever in Mpumalanga. I said that these people are coming to us, but unfortunately the national department is not doing enough. Hence we are saying from now onwards, even beyond G20, we need to be visible to our people so that we can try and boost the economy of this site.
Going forward, namkha ukuchinga phambili, umphakathi mhlambe ungangenelela njani kuma tourism initiatives namkha kuma gadango aragela phambili ukuthuthukisa ihlangothi lezokuvakasha to ensure namkha ukuqinisekisa ukuthi i-G20 tourism ibeka phambili amanye amahlangothi mhlambe angakhona uku-achieve ukuthi kukhone ukuthuthukisa namkha ukugrowa i-tourism enafeni.
Sinama skills singu-department, sine-training esiyinikayo kulutsha kakhulu, sizibiza ngokuba zi-tourism monitors. As monitors sizinika i-provinces, and then province decide ukuthi unida i-monitor for i-security or unida i-monitor for giving information with regard to what is there in Mpumalanga that we might not be aware of as the department, so that we can try and assist them. Hence yesterday sithe sizawuvulela ukuthi umasipala asisize ngokuthi a-recruit, a-encourage our young people to apply on our website. Ba-apply for uba bazotrainwa for ezi opportunities ezikhoyo in the department, in order for us that to say that tomorrow when our turn is over as the host of G20, we say that at least we managed to benefit G20 and beyond G20. There is a lot that department is giving to the communities. But as I have said, inkinga esinayo yi communication. Therefore, from today onwards, sawusebenza nomasipala, sawusebenza no province to make sure ukuthi abantu banayo knowledge yokuthi this is what is happening in the Department of Tourism.
In a nutshell, namkha features ungathini kokugcina sesivala kumlaleli olaleleke ekhaya begodi nomphakathi wesifunda lesimpumalanga esingaphasi kukamasipala we-Dr. JS Moroka?
Ndingathi kwi-community engekhoyo la ephakathi komasipala we-JS, Dr. JS Moroka, please go into our website. Mawusiya pha ku-website, there are many opportunities asifumana pha, and we have into esibiza ngoba zii-implementing agencies like your National Empowerment Fund, like USIFA, that is the small business whatever fund that we are working with, where then they are implementing all our projects. But we have also discovered that there are some challenges even to get or to participate into those programs because of the requirements that our people don't achieve, because the requirements are very high. That as a result of that, our people don't participate or can't participate. We are saying that myself and Minister Deline, we are in the process then of trying to review those requirements so that people bala JS Moroka bakwazi nabo ukuthi participate with the program.
Minister, thank you very much for talking to us. Let us hope to talk again in future.